Start. Within 30 days from today, the appellants herein shall appoint two gazetted railway officers as arbitrators. Stop. The two newly appointed arbitrators shall enter into reference within a period of another 1 month, and thereafter the arbitrators shall make their award within a period of 3 months, and further reiterated by this court in Northern Railway Administration, Ministry of Railway, New Delhi versus Patel Engineering Company Limited within bracket Supra as follows. Stop. It is pointed out that there are three clauses in subsection 6 of section 11. Stop. Clause C relates to failure to perform function entrusted to a person, including an institution, and also failure to act under the procedure agreed upon by the parties. Stop. In other words, clause A refers to parties to the agreement. Stop. Clause C relates to a person who may not be party to the agreement but has given consent to the agreement. Stop. It is also pointed out that there is a statutory mandate to take necessary measures unless the agreement on the appointment procedure provided other means for securing the appointment. Stop. It is therefore submitted that before the alternative is resorted to, agreed procedure has to be exhausted. Stop. The agreement has to be given effect and the contract has to be adhered to as closely as possible. Stop. Corrective measures have to be taken first and the court is the last resort. Stop. It is also pointed out that while appointing an arbitrator in terms of subsection 8 of section 11, the court has to give due regard to any qualification required for the arbitrator by the agreement of the parties and other considerations as are likely to secure the appointment of an independent and impartial arbitrator. Stop. It is pointed out that both these conditions are cumulative in nature. Stop. Therefore, the court should not directly make an appointment. Stop. It has to ensure first that the provided remedy is exhausted and the court may ask to do what has not been done. Stop. A bare reading of the scheme of section 11 shows that the emphasis is on the terms of the agreement being adhered to and or given effect as closely as possible. Stop. In other words, the court may ask to do what has not been done. Stop. The court must first ensure that the remedies provided for are exhausted. Stop. It is true as contended by Mr. Desai that it is not mandatory for the Chief Justice or any person or institution designated by him to appoint the named arbitrator or arbitrators. Stop.